Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss higher differential equations, how to find the complementary function. So we will consider one problem. D cube y by dx cube minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. So the given equation can be written as d cube minus 3d plus 2 into y. That means d cube y by dx cube can be written as capital D cube y. So d cube y I have taken common. So the auxiliary equation is, in place of d you substitute m cube minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. So if you solve it, you are going to get 1 comma 1 minus 2. These are the roots we are going to get. What is the complementary function means? Here it is the repeated roots are there. Therefore c1 plus c2x into e power 1x plus c3 into e power minus 2x. Next we will go for one problem. M power 4 plus 8m square plus 16 is equal to 0. This you can write as m square plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. That means m square plus 4 into m square plus 4 is equal to 0. That means you are going to get plus or minus 2i are the roots. So repeated roots, that is also complex, means this you can rewrite it as like this. Complex means e power 0x into c1 plus c2x into cos 2x, c3 plus c4x into sin 2x. Okay. Next, this model is when right hand side is e power 2x is there. How to solve the problem? So just first finding the complementary function. Therefore the roots are minus 1 minus 3. Different roots means c1 e power minus x plus e2 e power minus 3x. So right hand side e power 2x is there. So then how to solve the problem is 1 by d square plus 4d plus 3 into e power 2x. Whenever e power ax is there, replace d with a. That means replace d with 2. What happens? 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 3. That means how much? 3, 8, 11 plus 4, 15. E power 2x by 15. So completed. So complementary function yc you know, and particular integral you know. Therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. Next, here it is e power minus 2x plus 2 sin. This is hyperbolic sin x plus k. But we know only e power ax model how to solve. Then it is sin hyperbolic k. How you can solve? That means this is k is nothing but k into e power 0x. You can write here it is hyperbolic sin x. Also you can write it in terms of the e power x. That is also we will discuss. So first we will find the complementary function. Therefore d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into y is equal to 0. That is m plus 2 into m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. The roots are minus 2 1 comma 1. Minus 2 1 comma 1. Therefore complementary function repeated roots 1 comma 1. c1 plus c2x into e power 1x plus c3 into e power minus 2x. Particular integral is nothing but, so particular integral, what you had read, d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into e power minus 2x into e power minus 2x. In place of 2 sin x, how much you can write? 2 sin x can be written as 2 into e power x minus e power minus x by 2. 2 will get cancelled. E power x minus e power minus x. Again k can be written as k into e power 0x. Everything is e power x only. Okay, and then what you have to do the problem? That means first step by step we have to do. First we will do this e power minus 2x. Next we will go for e power x, e power minus x, like that. So first we will consider e power minus 2x. So in place of d, how much you have to substitute? Minus 2. If you substitute minus 2 here, what happens? This entire denominator will be 0. Then what you have to do? Then here if you substitute 0, if you substitute here minus 2 minus 1, no problem. Therefore what you have to do is you substitute here e power minus 2x by minus 2 minus 1. So now you have to multiply the numerator with x and denominator 1 by 1 factor. That means here if you substitute minus 2 in d, you are going to get 0. So this power is how much? 1. Therefore you have to multiply with x power 1 and 1 factorial. If it is d plus 2 whole square, x square by 2 factorial multiplication. If it is d plus 2 whole cube, x cube by 3 factorial. Okay, next simplification you will get like this. Now we will go for the e power x. So e power x quotient is how much? 1. X quotient 1. If you substitute 1 here, what happens? 0. Denominator 0 you are going to get. Then for what you have to do? If you are substituting here, nothing will happen. Therefore you substitute 1 plus 2, 3. So e power x by 1 plus 2 you write. Here it is, if you substitute here, you are going to get 0, na? But this power is how much? 2. Therefore multiply with x square by 2 factorial. So simplification you will do. Okay, next one, particular integral e power minus x. That means in place of d you have to substitute minus 1. Substitute, if you are going to get 1 into 4. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2 whole square is 4. Next, yp4, k into e power 0x. So e power 0x means, so x quotient is 0. In place of d you substitute 0. What happens? 2. Here you are going to minus 1. Therefore 1 by minus 2. So next, so if you add all these yp1, yp2, yp3, yp4 and the complementary function, therefore y is equal to yc plus yp1 plus particular integral 2 plus particular integral 3 plus particular integral 4. Next, so if you solve the auxiliary equation, you are going to get 1 comma 2 comma are the roots, repeated roots. What you have to do? Repeated roots, c1 into e power 1x plus c2 plus c3x into e power 2x. Next, 1 by d cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 into e power 2x. X quotient is 2. Replace d with 2. What happens? 0. If it is 0, then what you have to do is you multiply the numerator with x and differentiate the denominator. 3d square minus 10d plus 8. Now you substitute in place of d2. What happens? Again 0 you are going to get. Next, again what you have to do? Multiply again one more x. Therefore x square into e power 2x by, again differentiate the denominator, 6d minus 10. Now you substitute in place of d2, 6 into 2, 12 minus 10, that is minus 2. Therefore no problem, x square e power 2x by 2 you are going to get particular integral. Therefore finally y is equal to yc plus yp. Next, here it is right hand side cos 3x. How you have to solve? First find the particular complementary function. Therefore c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. Therefore 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos 3x. Whenever you come across with sin bx or cos bx, what you have to remember means d square is replaced with minus b square. Is cos bx, in place of b 3 is there, b square is 9, minus b square is minus 9. Therefore in place of d square how much you have to write? Minus 9. Minus 9 minus 3d plus 2, how much? Minus 7 minus 3d. Again you remember cos 3x, you require d square. Therefore what you are doing is minus you take down 7 plus 3d. So I want d square, therefore multiply the numerator and denominator with 7 minus 3d. Therefore what happens? 49 minus 9d square is the denominator. In place of d square you substitute minus 9. So what you are going to get here? It is the 130. Okay, numerator is minus of 7 minus 3d into cos 3x. Now we multiply minus 1 by 30 into 7 times of cos 3x minus differentiation of sin cos 3x. Differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into 3. If you simplify you are going to get like this. This is the particular integral. Finally y is equal to yc plus yp. Next, this is about the model. So what we have covered is the complementary function, how to solve, e power ax how to solve, and sin bx cos bx model. So if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends so that they can able to get good marks. Thank you.